What is essential to understand about the MLC is it is a member-driven organization. So it's the collection, the collaboration of the members to define what it is that's essential for manufacturers both today and tomorrow.
It's really a comprehensive portfolio of two things: thought leadership and people, ideas and people, because we really deeply believed the industry was fundamentally changing.
When you think digital transformation or Industry 4.0, it's easy to think just of the technology. The benefit of working with the Manufacturing Leadership Council has been that they've also supported our journey from a people and from a resource standpoint, understanding the organizational needs and showing the value of digital.
MLC is a group of companies that are pushing the boundaries.
All of the networking opportunities, the plant tours, the conferences that bring people together and provide that dynamic where people could learn from each other, share best practices that could advance them and their companies and therefore the industry. This is the path forward.
You always pick up a few ideas around ways to organize better, how the team should look, what capabilities we should have, how we should evolve and bring those forward.
One of the things that MLC has always done is what's the next thing? Where is it today and where is it headed in the future?
We found that MLC is the best place to network and to learn from that.
A place where we can get industry insights, information resources.
You have the opportunity to interact with global organizations, and you take the best of the best and bring to your company.
The networking is better than any organization I've been involved in.
The MLC can continue to define manufacturing by finding ways to inspire the next generation to want to learn and to network and to grow.
The digital revolution is helping to fuel that capability to be continually competitive and not only survive in the future, but to thrive in the future.
Digital transformation is happening every day, and the support of the Manufacturing Leadership Council has helped us navigate that journey, select technologies, understand when and how to pivot when things don't work so that we could be successful throughout all of our sites.
When challenges do arise, whether that be a global pandemic, supply chain interruptions, labor shortages, macroeconomic disruptions, one thing Cooley's has always been able to count on is the MLC kind of help us think through what that future might look like and how we might deal with those challenges.
We're all learning, networking, and understanding how we can learn from that and implement the best practices in our company.
I think MLC and its members have always been leading the charge.
I think it's an absolutely exciting future for manufacturing that should really inspire the next generation.